The feeling of the home, I think, is about a warmth and it's a retreat, and you feel somewhat secluded and protected, but at the same time you get those outlooks to the rear quiet side of the house. On the site originally there was a classic brick duplex. We really wanted to maintain the look of the original form, so we didn't want to try and overtake what was already here. So we kept the integrity of all of the existing, and then when we did create an extension on the rear and to the side, we really wanted to kind of butt in softly and with a different material and really kind of focus on the original brick dwelling and just be very gentle and not overpowering.
We met a few architects when we started on this project. We met Jess, I think it was the second architect that we met. After our initial conversation with Jess, I was really excited. I really had this strong sense that we were kicking off on a really exciting process, but also we were in really good hands.